Here, I'm Lorraine Turnbull and this is the final grafting video. You can see in front of you some rootstocks, and this little video is going to teach you how to save money and grow your own apple tree rootstocks. So you've seen that I had rootstocks in a pot which I cut the tops off of to graft on the new Siamwood, and this is the leftovers from that cut, and you can see they're about 2 foot long. And what I do is simply cut these in half and insert them into the ground to about 3 inches deep, and these are in a slightly shady place, and these will grow roots and turn into new apple rootstocks MM106 for next year, and I'll be able to graft some more apple trees onto them. So it is simply, excuse me, I'm trying to do this all myself today, a case of cutting, so that's about 9 inches long, and just literally find a space and push that into the ground about 2 to 3 inches deep, and leaving that. And by this time next year, these may have some leaves on them, but they will have 90% have rooted, and they will turn into new apple rootstocks. That's the end of the grafting videos. Do tune in again and have a look at my other videos. I'm sorry about my accent. Thank you. Bye.